Hello my friends! I'm going to show you how to make petal sleeve patterns. My name is Jean and welcome to Pattern Studio 101. I'm a pattern making professional, and if you want to improve your pattern making skills, you are in the right place. Today we are going to make petal sleeve patterns. There are various designs of petal sleeve, but for today we are going to make a simple and basic one. I'm going to make sleeve patterns from scratch, so you need front armhole measurement and back armhole measurement from your body patterns. Let's start today's lesson. You need front armhole measurement and back armhole measurement. Let's say the front armhole is 9 inches, back armhole is 9.5 inches. Draw a vertical line first. This is going to be the sleeve cap height. Calculate total armhole measurement divided by 3. In my example, 18.5 divided by 3 equals 6 1/8. And draw horizontal lines. Let's draw the back armhole first. From your back armhole length you measured, take out 1/4 inch. I take out 1/4 inch to not have too much ease on the cap. So in my case, 9.5 inches back armhole length minus 1/4 equals 9.25 inches. Start from the crown point, keep the length on the ruler, and swing the ruler until it hits the bicep line. Let's draw the front the same way. Take out 1/4 inch from your front body armhole. Place one end of the ruler on the crown point and swing the ruler until it hits the bicep line. To draw the front armhole, find the center point and go down 1/2 inch. Draw the front curve, passing this point. For the back, divide by 3. The curve will meet the lower point. Transfer the notches from your body patterns. We completed the sleeve cap, and from here we are going to make style lines, which means you can draw whatever you want for your design. I'll show you an example, but it doesn't have to be the exact amount I do here. Okay, because we are gonna draw a petal sleeve, I would go down 1.5 inches for the inseam. You can make it longer or shorter. And take out 1/8 inch each side. Mark 3 inches from the crown point along the front armhole line and draw the style line. Again, you can draw the line you like, more curvy or less. The same way, find the point 3 inches from the crown point along the back armhole line and draw the style line. I made 2 lines symmetrical, but if you want, you can have 2 different curves. Trace them out. Don't forget notches. Here's your petal sleeve. Next time, I'm gonna show you how to manipulate petal sleeves. You can have gather on the shoulder or flare on the bottom, or both with petal sleeves. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss the lesson. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.